Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had visited landslide and flood-affected areas in Dalu in West Garo Hills and Atisia Songmong in South Garo Hills on the 8th of October 2024. During his visit, Sangma met with families of victims who lost their lives in recent landslides. He distributed ex-gratia payments including Rs 4 lakh to families of victims in Dalu and Rs 8 lakh to the wife of Bijoy Marak, a teacher who, along with his son, died in a flood-related incident. Sangma also held a review meeting with the West Garo Hills District Administration to assess damages and relief efforts. The natural calamities in Dalu CNRD block have impacted 2,630 households and claimed 6 lives. The administration has set up 68 relief camps for the victims. The Meghalaya Chief Minister has directed officials to study flood-prone areas for future flood management and ordered immediate repairs of roads and bridges to restore essential supplies.
Sir, you need that kanda. Arak cila mo naman expect ba? Kajat sim. Sir, normally rin din ikaw di tarang matindi. Ye actually unexpected man sir. बहुत दूर है यहाँ पे. दूर भी है और not very. Makon bara, oh, it comes from there. Like this.
ये ईशानी भागपा
nga na ote PMAY household sung ko napat na ado jutong ka gen wan niam rang bakaw no bagum kuni mung jen salo wa phasong gen ba singshino gen PMAY house means lakh sa haza fulak chibat now no
Sir, singa secretary through Conrad, sir. Damage ko.
Okay. What damage nang na de tin ko de immediately sir. Tin you should give immediately to all.
Yes, sir.
House we can give or not, that is as per specifications. Uguni na magin. Well, but tin ko de immediately sukot ko ne.
Yes.
De, aro may ko baka nas niya ma? May ko ba na ha? Sama ko bukas ka.
एक बार पुलिस लोग थोड़ा सा साइड मेरे अंदर सर को क्लियर टेक फोटो फ्रॉम दिस साइड यू विल गेट इट नाइस
Jadi kak.
ini nani fokus di sini ya nani fokus di sini
We have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and give our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss, but as a government we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Garo Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times.